It's August 11th, 2012. We're at Don Verity's house in Rhode Island to pick up the rear end for the 56 300B. I haven't been here a long time. The ride out was really interesting because it was 5.5 hours of rain. Some of it so heavy, traffic stopped. And this will be the last time that we see the G. The new owner's coming to pick it up today. Let's see if Don's awake. Apparently, Don's not awake yet. Sunday morning, we're back in New York. Arrived yesterday afternoon in another series of heavy rainstorm and 85-degree temperatures. A lot of heavy traffic on the Mass Pike, but no trouble with the load. The rear end didn't move an inch the whole trip, but the truck did know that it was back there. And that is the rebuilt 4-speed transmission for the K. That also didn't move an inch. I'm not sure how I'm going to get that out, because it's pretty heavy. Well, let's see what this idea might work. To get the stock crane and get it in the door and be able to get enough up on it to get the transmission up and roll it back on the sidewalk. Sounds like a great idea. Let's find out why it won't work. So far, I haven't run into anything that hasn't hit. Or should I say, so far, I haven't hit anything. I got roof clearance. This should be easy. Don't you just hate it when you use up all the luck first thing in the morning? There it is. Done, rebuilt, recurved the E distributor and the L distributor in the boxes here. So points, condensers, dwell, and he also checked the mechanical advance on these. So these are all set, ready to go. A pair of 56 Chrysler rear brake hubs, front brake drums, one right, one left. So now we need to get this engine hoist moved out of the shop over to the garage so we can pick the rear axle assembly for the 56 out of the Dodge. I like to do this early in the morning so that the neighbors, there aren't as many neighbors that can watch me do this. But you need the big cart because the grass, even though the hoist is on wheels, it isn't going to roll. So between the two of them, it makes for a reasonable major effort. And there it is. Easy peasy, just drag it right over, set it right up. So far, so good. The truck's in, the crane's ready, the straps are undone. That's a 56 Imperial differential and a 56 Chrysler rear axle assembly. This would be the New Yorker parts car that we got from Bob Midnight. Thank you very much, Mr. Motorcycle. Easy peasy. These things are nose heavy, so you want to be super careful when you rig your hoisting straps or ropes that you're prepared for that nose to drop on you. But if you're careful, and it's great if you have two people, get her down and you can roll around on a creeper. Surprise the whole heck surprised the heck out of me. There's the 55 rear and the 56, and I didn't break anything. And in the dark where you can't see it, 56 rear installed. I haven't put the U-bolts on it, but I've got the springs up and the shackles, so she didn't go anywhere. Still really not enough light to see me here.